Makan. Honorable Minister. Supplementary number 1, Shri Ajay Makan.
Sir, this year, Kodava hockey tournament entered Guinness Book of World Record without any support from the union government, whereas the state government fully supported Kodava hockey tournament. Starting in 1997, with just 60 teams, this year 360 teams with 4,834 players participated, making it the biggest tournament in the world. Kodagu district, where Kodavas come from, is considered as a cradle of Indian hockey, sir. Kodagu district has produced 50 Kodavas representing Indian hockey team. 7 of them are Olympians. Govinda, MP Ganesh, Somaya and many others are in this list. So my question is, as a former sports minister, I know that this is very easily possible. Looking at these facts, is the government thinking of giving grants either annually or one-time infrastructure development for this important place which has given so many Olympians, so many national players, known as a cradle of Indian hockey, given the importance of hockey in our country?
Honorable Minister.
सभापति महोदय, मैं आपके माध्यम से सदस्य को बताना चाहती हूँ कि उन्होंने जो सवाल यहाँ पे कोडावा के बारे में रखा है, और ये बात सच है कि इस बार कोडावा जो खेल हुआ है, हॉकी का टूर्नामेंट हुआ है, तो इस बार गिनीज बुक में उनका रिकॉर्ड हुआ है। और जो फंड की बात वो कर रहे हैं, तो केंद्र सरकार कोई भी डायरेक्ट फंड किसी स्टेट को मतलब किसी भी टूर्नामेंट के लिए नहीं दे सकती, और राज्य की तरफ से प्रस्ताव आना चाहिए। अगर वैसा कोई प्रस्ताव आता है तो केंद्र सरकार फंड्स उन्हें अलॉट कर सकती है।
Supplementary number 2.
Sir, I am asking supplementary number 2, but I myself, while asking the first question, I said I have been the sports minister myself. Kindly have a relook into this, because there are so many avenues, so many ways by way of which you can directly fund a tournament. There are many tournaments, football tournaments, many tournaments which are directly funded. So my supplementary number 2 is...
You can make that suggestion separately to the Honorable Minister.
Yes, sir.
She would be happy to activate that also.
Sir, I know, sir.
Second
I have
supplementary.
been Speaker of the Assembly also, so I know my rights and privileges.
Then you share my pain.
Sir.
Ajay Makanji, as the Speaker of the Assembly,
Sir.
kindly spare some time,
Sir.
and see me in my chamber.
Sir.
Second supplementary.
Sir, should I come at 1:30 also, sir, along with them? Sir, my second supplementary. Sir, I had set up as a sports minister a high-altitude training center in Kunnur. There is another high-altitude training center in Himachal Pradesh. I think that this district, Kodagu district, should be considered as a high-altitude training center. By way of asking a question, I am suggesting the Honorable Sports Minister, would they look into setting up a high-altitude sports training center in Kodagu? I think they should do it. This is a suggestion in form of a question.
Honorable Minister.
ने सुझाव दिया है, सुझाव की हम नोंद लेते हैं।
Supplementary number 3.